To create the organogram, switch to the MD Admin role. From the Organogram tab, open Add Organogram Structure. From here, select your ministry from the drop-down. You can also type to search. Then select the department and submit. The data is submitted successfully and the structure of the organogram is created. Now, switch to the Nodal Officers role for entering the data at the nodes of the organogram structure. From the Nodal role, go to Organogram and click on Add Organogram Data. You'll find the structure. From here, click on Add Data. Here you can start adding the strength of your department, group-wise. We'll start with Group A, fill the total strength, then select the designations one by one, add the sanction strength, and select the pay level of the respective designation. Enter how many officers are working and how many are onboarded on HRMS. Click on the plus icon to add more designations. Search for more designations and repeat the steps until you complete all the Group A officers in the level. Similarly, start filling the data for Group B sanction strength. Then move to Group C. First, fill the total sanction strength of that particular group and then add designation-wise data. If you have any additional posts, you can put them in the additional information section. If you have contractual employees, consultants, or young professionals, mention them here. After that, submit. This data will be verified by the MDO admin, so you can see the data that you have filled. You can also update the data using the Action tab. Now let me show you how the MDO admin can verify this data and approve. At the MDO admin role, go to Request List under Organogram. This is the request for verification of data. Go to the Action tab, click on Approve, Reject, and select your decision with remarks. After approving, you can see the generated organogram structure. This is how the organogram chart will look. When you hover over the nodes, you can see the data that has been filled by the nodal officers.
Thank you so much.